Hello, my name's Naomi and welcome to our Clifton Street project. The client brief was to open up the space and increase natural light. Previously, the kitchen was completely separated from the dining space by a dividing wall. We removed the wall to create more of an open plan living. Without a doubt, my favourite part of this design is the booth seating area that seamlessly integrates the kitchen and dining. We've had the privilege of using natural stone throughout this renovation. We've used tundra marble on the island and Pietra grey for the splashback and cooktop. Curves have been repeated throughout to reference the curved nature of the booth seat. We can see this in the design of the overhead cabinetry, the rounded power outlets and the plastered bulkhead. With the new front door, we have allowed light to stream through the steel door into the kitchen. We've included an appliance cupboard with pocket doors to suit the needs of a growing family.